Hi everyone, welcome to Frankie Finds. So today I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you today. This one is a little bit cheaper than the other ones I've been doing. This one cost me £30 from Superdrug, but because I used the top cashback link, I did get a £5 back in my top cashback account. So if you do have top cashback, search for Superdrug before buying anything. But this is what it looks like. It's the Baylis and Harding 24 Days of Beauty Signature Collection. It says luxury bath and body treats. It opens like a book. It's got like a bit of Velcro on it to help keep it shut. That's what it looks like inside. Lovely design, I think. On the back, it shows you everything that comes in it with all the ingredients and stuff like that, so I won't show you that side. But let's get straight into it, shall we? Day number 1. So in day number 1, we have the Jehova, is that how you say it? Jehova or Jehova? Vanilla and almond oil, and it's a moisturising foot lotion in 30ml. I like the packaging on these. Let's have a smell. I love that we start with a foot lotion as well. You never seem to get as many foot lotions as hand lotions. Feels nice. Nice smell. You can definitely smell the vanilla in it. That'd be lovely for your feet. So yeah, day number 1, a lovely foot lotion. Day number 2. Ooh. Oh, this is different. So in day number 2, we have the Jehova vanilla and almond oil, and this is the luxury bath bubbles, again in 30ml. Again, you can really smell the vanilla in that one. Day number 3. Okay, so in day number 3, we have the Moonlight Fig hand soak crystals. It's 25 grams. I like the packaging. I love it's like fireworks. Moonlight Fig. That's a nice name. So they come in a little plastic bag. You don't get loads, so I suppose it's like only one use. And this is for your hands. So, this one says, dissolve into a bowl of warm water and soak hands as required. Pretty simple, that one. So yeah, that was day number 3. Day number 4. In day number 4, we have the sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit moisturising hand and nail cream, again in a 30ml packaging. Smell this one. Oh, that is lovely. I like that. Let's put a little bit on, shall we? This one's very thick. It's nice. Really nice, that one. So that was day number 4, a nice hand and nail cream. Day number 5, that one. Day number 5. So in day number 5, we have the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit, and it's the Luxury Bath Bubbles, again in 30 mils. Day number 6. Ooh, a nice dark one today. So in day number 6, we have the Moonlight Fig Refreshing Body Wash. Again, 30 mils. So recurring theme. Ooh, that's nice. Very sophisticated smell. Yeah, I like that. Day number 7. And in day number 7, we have the Moonlight Fig Moisturising Body Lotion, again 30 mils. I adore the colouring on that. That is gorgeous. Pinkies and purples. Purple is my favourite colour, so I really like that. Really easy instructions. So it says massage gently into skin until fully absorbed. Day number 8. In day number 8, we have the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil, and it's the Luxury Shower Cream. Again, 30 mils. Just says a pretty simple lather and rinse. All of them do say as well sustainable luxury, so that's good. Day number 9. So in day number 9, we have the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Refreshing Body Wash. Again, 30 mils. What a surprise. Number 10. In day number 10, we have the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil. Oh, we've got a shampoo. I didn't even know Baylis and Harding did shampoo and conditioner. I hope we get the conditioner in the next day. This is again 30 mils. Can't remember if I said that. Quite a nice smell. What is that one? Oh yeah, so again you can really smell the vanilla. So we've got a shampoo for day number 10. Let's hope it is the conditioner in the next day. Let's have a look. Day number 11. Are we getting it? Maybe, are we? No, it isn't. So we've got the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Moisturising Body Lotion in day number 11. Lovely packaging again. It reminds me a bit of like honeycomb, this top bit. Day number 12 now. So in day number 12, we've got the Moonlight Fig Luxury Shower Cream. Again, 30 ml bottle. These are all nice little travel sizes. It'd be perfect for like if you're going away, you know, for the weekend or just for a week. Day number 13. We've still not had this conditioner yet. If they don't put it in, I'm going to be quite annoyed. So in day number 13, we have got the Moonlight Fig Body Butter. Day number 14 there. So in day number 14, we have got the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil Luxury Bath Milk. I like that they've got quite a good variety of different products in here. They've got all, obviously, I think there's like 3 scents. Maybe 3 or 4. And they've just got loads of different products for each scent. I do quite like that. So luxury bath milk. Says pour into bath under warm running water. Pretty simple for that one. Day number 15 is right on the bottom here. Still holding out for a conditioner, guys. This might be it, you know, this might be it. Yes, it is. So we've got the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil Conditioner today. Great. I absolutely love that we've got them both. I would have been so disappointed if they hadn't put that in as well. Day number 16, a nice little present. The shiny gold one. So in day number 16, we've got the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Body Butter. Day number 17. So in day number 17, we have got the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Luxury Cream Body Wash. I did also see on, I think it might have been Boots, a different Baylis and Harding one, and I think it was called something like Baylis and Harding Candy. So I was thinking I might get that, but I don't know yet. Let me know if you fancy another Baylis and Harding advent calendar unboxing. Let me know. Day number 18. So in day number 18, we have got the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil, and it's a cleansing soap, 25 grams. I love a good soap. Let's have a look. So it's just a square one, a creamy colour, and it does have the Baylis and Harding branding on, which is nice. Can smell it slightly through the package, but not much. Day number 19. So in day number 19, I had to remind myself then, we've got the Moonlight Fig, and it's the refreshing shower gel. I'm going to have so many good showers coming up to Christmas and New Year's. Absolutely love anything to do with shower gels. I usually get every year around Christmas, the Body Shop do a little gift set with all their shower gels in, and I think it comes with 12 different scents of the shower gels, and I get it every year. I absolutely love it. Day number 20. We have the Jehova Vanilla and Almond Oil Luxury Bath and Shower Bubbles. That's different. So what does it say? Lather and rinse. I've never come across something that says bath and shower bubbles, but I like that because I'm not really a fan of baths. But showers, love them. So if you can use this in the shower as well, I think that's really good. Let me know if you've ever used any of these products before, like a bath and shower bubbles. You have to let me know if they're any good. Day number 21. You can just see me peeking out. So in day number 21, we have the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Refreshing Shower Gel. Day number 22. Not far off the end now, guys. So in day number 22, we've got the Moonlight Fig Luxury Bath and Shower Bubbles again. Day number 23. We have got the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Bath Soak Crystals in 25 grams. So that's pretty good. We've got some hand soak crystals and the bath soak crystals. Day number 24. It's not any bigger or anything than the rest. So the last day, day number 24, we've got the Moonlight Fig Moisturising Hand Cream, again 30 mils. Again, we're ending on my favourite packaging of all the items. So shiny and very Christmassy, I think. Very New Year'sy. But yeah, that is the last item. So that is everything for the Baylis & Harding Superdrug Advent Calendar. I will include the link below to buy it if you do want to. And I will also put the link for Top Cashback as well if you want to do that, so that you get £5 back on your Top Cashback account. I quite enjoyed this calendar. I really like the scents. I like that there's quite a lot of variety. If you did want to, you could split this up into 3 gifts for Christmas for people, and then you'd get like, for £30 it'd be like each gift cost you £10 for per person. So I think that would be quite a good idea. If you didn't actually, if one of the scents you thought, no, I'm not too keen on that, great gift for someone for Christmas, Secret Santa. But yeah, that is everything from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to the end, give me a like, and also if you're new watcher, give me a subscribe to help build the channel. But thank you so much. Take care, guys.